Hi, my name is Sarah with Facial Beauty Dental, and today I would like to talk to you about extractions done at our office. Tooth extractions may be necessary for your health and the health of the teeth surrounding the extracted tooth. Tooth extractions are normally not considered a good option unless the tooth is simply not savable. Saving your teeth is always better for your nutrition and proper chewing. The doctor and staff will discuss all options of the tooth and will help you decide what is best in your situation. Tooth extractions can be performed painlessly, and full recovery takes about 1 to 2 weeks. Normally with tooth extractions, you will feel some pressure but no pain. We offer laser treatment after the procedure to speed healing and shorten the length of time of home care. We give home care instructions after the procedure, and the main 3 instructions to healing successfully are no spitting, smoking, or drinking through a straw. It is also best to chew on the opposite side of the mouth and eat softer foods to avoid unnecessary discomfort. For more information about a consultation or to schedule your extraction, please call Facial Beauty Dental today, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.